We hope the key works.
It worked. Now we have a 3-bedroom, so we have one side with a 2-bedroom, and then one side with a lockout and a 1-bedroom. We're on the 2-bedroom side first. So where do you want to start, hon? Let me turn some lights on.
So how far are we to Disney?
We are, I want to say, a good 8 miles straight down International Drive, and then you take a drive into Disney.
Right. So we here. What we'll do is we will show you how far we are to Disney. This is how far we are to Disney. The theme park gates, because they do change.
Yep.
How far we are to SeaWorld, which is not that far away.
So you can actually see the roller coasters from here.
And also how far we are to Universal.
Which is farther away.
Right, so we're equidistant almost to Universal and to Disney. Mm-hmm. So this is a good central location.
It's a good place for if you're going to SeaWorld. This is really close to SeaWorld. I mean, there's closer places, but this is really close. But you're equidistant almost between Universal and Disney. So let's take a look. I got some lights on. Go walk through, honey.
So we are in a 3-bedroom, and what's so special about 3-bedrooms? So you know, they are only one on each floor. That really makes a difference, and they're usually at the end of each floor. So we always go into the living room first. The 3-bedroom actually does sleep 12. Oh, you forgot to unlock the other side, honey.
Oh, I'll go. Well, we'll go through and do that. Okay. Let's pop this open here. Well, okay. You keep going.
So in okay, so Steve's opening that. So we are in the 3-bedroom unit. And this is the 2-bedroom size. So this is a 3-bedroom.
It's what they call it, a lockout. There's 2 bedrooms on one side and 1 bedroom on the other side. And when they're locked out, it becomes a 2-bedroom and a 1-bedroom. But when you open up the lockout, it becomes a 3-bedroom. Right. So we have the 3-bedroom for our family that's coming down.
Right. So we have the living room area, which includes the dining room, which sits 6 and 2 here.
So you can sit 4 there, 6 there. Actually, you can fit 7 on the couch. But you've got 2 high bar chairs that you could breakfast, breakfast next.
You can't sit 7 on the couch.
Yeah, you can put 3 on the couch and 4 around. 7 total.
7 on the couch.
7 with the couch, I meant.
Okay. And then this is a pull-out sofa for the living room area. So you technically can sleep 2 people there if you want to.
Yeah, it's a queen pull-out.
Mm-hmm. And then there is 2 more. You can sit over here. Mm-hmm. And the rooms have been remodeled. So Steve is taking a look at stuff there.
Just closing that.
And then the one thing I know, this is really strange. I do like these because the size of the TV. I don't know. I know you're on vacation. You're not supposed to be sitting in a room. All the furniture looks like in good shape. No wear and tear. No nicks. Nothing. Like I said, it's been totally remodeled. Now, the one thing on this particular unit is a little different is the fact that I think I saw this on a different unit was they are...
This one's not screened.
This one is not screened.
This one's not screened.
Okay, so if you have little ones...
But if you see on the bottom unit there over there, it's screened.
Right.
But the second floor unit's not screened.
So you want to be careful when you have young kids here, because even though they have railings, I don't feel comfortable enough for me to put my grandkids up here. So...
That's just us. I mean, you can, you know, how they've got railings, they're safe.
Right.
I just would rather have screens.
Right, and then here there is a table and 4 chairs.
And they've got a ceiling fan to get some air movement. There is a light out here somewhere. At least I thought there was.
There's no
light.
Okay.
So. I thought there was a light out here so you could sit out here at night and like play cards and things.
So we have what we call a lake view. And then the bridge over there does take you to the main clubhouse. And then let's go into the master bedroom. As Steve is turning on the lights. The master bedroom does have a king-size bed. It has a working table, chair, stool. So the one thing about the master, if you have a pack and play or crib,
there's room.
There's room here.
So it comes with a TV. There's a light over the TV. What I do like is on the desk, you've got 2 outlets on the wall, but you also have another outlet on the light. So you can plug multiple chargers in.
So there is a USB in the light area.
And there's also an outlet and a USB on this light as well. So there's a USB on that side.
Okay.
So that's kind of cool that you can plug your phones in on a USB as well as your chargers.
So this one has a double vanity. I love double vanities in the bathroom area. It's one of my favorite things. And then you have
is this an air jet or?
It's a air jet because
it's
an air jet, which is good. I like the air jet tubs because they're cleaner and safer than the ones with actually the jets themselves.
There was a study that came out a number of years ago about the Whirlpool tubs. They have a tendency to sit, especially like in resorts like this, and you're not sure what happens in the water piping. The air jets are much safer for bacteria growth, so we like the air jets better.
And they do come with a hair dryer, amenities. It does not have a lighted mirror. The mirror is not lighted, but there's plenty of lights here. We have extra toilet paper.
And Kleenex.
Kleenex, since we're going to be here for at least a week. And then...
Right, should be extra towels on this side.
And there should be towels on here.
The trash can and a plunger, though.
Oh, yes, it comes with a plunger and trash can. And then we go into the bathroom area.
And they got all the lights.
Wow, is that all the lights? Wow, it's a little dark in here.
The light that doesn't go on. Hang on, did we miss a switch?
There we go. Oh, it's the fan.
Yeah.
So you hear the fan. So we always love this test of Steve.
Oh, yeah.
We always do this because then he will know how he goes in the shower. Actually, you're good.
It's not bad. I mean, it's high enough for me, and I'm tall. Yeah. It's got handicap rail too, so a grab bar. And it is wide enough, it is big enough. So I like the shower here. I don't know what the water pressure is like. Let's find out.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
Yeah.
We'll find out, and actually...
I can live with that.
And then now we're going into the other room. Oh, here, closet. We've got to do the closet before we go out. We'll have to check out this closet.
There's probably a safe in here.
Yes, there's a safe and bedding.
The bedding is for the hide-a-bed.
Right.
It's the hide-a-bed that's in the couch in the living room.
And there's a full-length mirror here.
Mm-hmm. That looks like the one I bought you.
So many years ago from college, and we still have.
30 years ago. It's got the beveled edge. It looks exactly like the one I bought you.
No, mine does not have a beveled edge. Mine is not fancy. Oh, they do have in there the ironing board and the iron. And like I said, there is a safe, and it is a key number safe. It was really weird. We were at a location non-disclosing that I wanted to use a safe, but the safe was broken. I do use the safe when I'm on vacation.
It does have a fire extinguisher too, so that's always a good thing to have. Kind of a weird space for it to be. Normally they're in the kitchen, but at least you've got one.
Right. And you have drawers for clothing.
Probably nothing in the drawers, but...
Yeah, drawers for clothing. So it gives you enough room when you're staying here for a week, because most of these are used for a week stay.
Yeah, there's nothing in the drawers.
And then this one does give you access to the patio. So if you want to use the patio, you can.
Yep.
Okay. And let's go to the other bedroom, because this is a 3-bedroom. So this is we got to go to the 2-bedroom portion. Oh, we could go here, honey. What's in the hallway? This one should be probably a...
This might be your water. No,
pantry.
This is just a pantry.
And they do give you the...
recycling bin and a laundry basket.
So is that...
I think that's the washer and dryers over here.
The washer and dryers inside the hallway in the kitchen?
Right here. Oh.
Yep. Yes, it is.
There's your washer and dryer.
Okay, so is it a full size?
Oh,
yeah, it is. Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
This looks like it's pretty new.
Yeah, it's a full size.
That looks like it's pretty new.
You got a dustpan. I actually have a sweeper. When was the last time you saw a sweeper?
I have not seen that.
They've got a broom and dustpan, but this is a sweeper.
Oh, the carpet sweeper. It's called a carpet sweeper.
If I didn't break it.
It's going to show you how to use a carpet sweeper. You broke it.
I didn't break it. It was unscrewed.
Okay.
It was unscrewed.
And let's go into the other bathroom. This is the main bathroom for the whole unit. The shared bathroom. And then this one has one vanity, mirror.
Not lighted.
hair dryer. And then you have a tub. So you have the tub.
What kind of shower head does it have on it? Does it have adjustable?
It looks like it's Kohler.
No, I mean, it's not adjustable.
No, it's adjustable. That should have a ball joint on it.
Okay.
It should be.
I don't mean adjustable as far as
no, just that's a single one.
Okay.
And then there is a hand rail so you can get out.
I like having grab rails.
There is a commode or toilet. Oh, there's something. Oh, this is like housekeeping. This is the housekeeping.
Yeah, that's housekeeping.
So there's a housekeeping closet. And then in here should be more towels and, yep, same thing, duplicate. Oh,
this one does have towels underneath.
Yep. Towels here.
Yeah.
And then what's in this one? This one should have the plunger in it. Nope. Nope. So is there no plunger in this one?
Doesn't look like it.
Oh, the plunger's here. It says
it is? It's back there?
The plunger's there. So you
okay.
The plunger is here. And then what else is in here is the 2-bedroom portion, which is 2 double beds. Actually, I think those are queens. Those look like queens.
They're fulls. They're at least fulls. They may be queens. So actually, I like it. You see where they put the outlets?
So what they did? Oh, wow.
They don't have a nightstand there, but they have outlets right there.
Yep, that's cool. And then you have a closet and another fire extinguisher. I guess the fire extinguisher is in every single bedroom.
Yeah.
It makes sense.
I didn't look to see if there was actually one. There might be one under the kitchen sink.
And then you have a TV.
And then this is the same dresser I think that's in the other bedroom, to be honest. Yeah, nothing in the drawers.
And then there's a mirror there to make the room look bigger.
Mm-hmm.
And then we could go into the kitchen.
We'd already looked at the washer and dryer.
Right.
I just wanted to see. No, there's no fire extinguisher there.
Want to open up the cabinets real quick, honey?
Yeah, I can do that.
You can open them up all right away, just all the way.
I'm going to.
So at least you can see what's in there. We'll go through these really quick. So at least you get to see what's in there on.
That one's empty.
Mm-hmm. Peruse what's in here to make.
That one's got some stuff in it. And then I'll move around and switch.
Right. So this is what is in there, so at least you can see, take a look. Then you have the microwave, stove, and then that is the warming drawer, Steve.
Yes, I will say that people put pots and pans under there, and there is
nothing.
No, there is.
Okay, that's right.
Got the boiling tray.
Okay.
This is actually a warming drawer, but I don't think anybody ever uses it for a warming drawer.
So you also have to give your coffee. I like the fact that they do give you salt and pepper. That is one of my favorite things. That some units don't give you salt and pepper. Okay.
So let me change the drawers so we can see what's on this side.
Oh, while you're doing that, I could go through the fridge. It's a standard fridge. My speaker's inside the refrigerator, freezer area. Then you have.
It's basically a standard fridge.
Standard fridge.
It's a full-size fridge too, so. And
here you have
silverware. Is all here. Your pots and pans. I did not see a non-stick pan.
Yes, there is. It's there, right there.
Okay.
Me and my non-stick. I have this fixation with non-stick pans because I like to do eggs. And then this one has a trash can.
Let me see if there's a fire extinguisher back there. Nope. Okay, so the fire extinguishers are only in the bedrooms.
Okay. And then you have the...
Looks like a new dishwasher.
We'll find out how bad it is when we... Doesn't look too bad.
No. It looks like it's a brand new dishwasher too.
Looks pretty good.
So I'm going to go unlock the other side, and I'll meet you on the other side.
This is what a studio would actually look like. Hi. This is what a studio would actually look like, so you know. So I haven't turned on any lights in here yet.
What do you think of the studio, honey?
So this is the studio. As I'm walking in, you have the king size bed. You have the pull-out couch. Dining.
Yeah, small dining table. They do have a patio.
Patio.
And this one does not have a ceiling fan on it.
Mm-hmm. And then this is pull-out.
Yep.
For a sofa bed, so you can actually sleep 4 more people in here.
Yep. It's a queen. I do like the fact that over here too, USB ports and electrical outlets in the lights. They have the closet with the safe, the bedding for the pull-out.
And they have the clean on it, so you know it's clean.
And then also an ironing board and an iron. And I will tell you that for the first time ever, I saw an ironing board and an iron used this summer at one of the rooms we went to. Yeah. They actually had to use the ironing board and the iron. Full-length mirror. Mm-hmm. And that's how I know. Okay, they put them in the bedrooms.
Oh, okay. Now I know. That's why they have that up there.
Yeah. They put them in the bedrooms. Small kitchenette. Or do you want to go to the bathroom first?
We could do the kitchenette. This is
just a small kitchenette is all it is.
Right.
So they give you a microwave, silverware. I like that. It's a good concept on space saving. Trash can and recycling can underneath, the roll of paper towels behind. Baby fridge with a freezer, which is, I might add, is a bonus. Some plates and some bowls and some cups. Yeah, they figure 2 people are going to be in here, so plate servings for 2, and then glassware. They've got an ice bucket, and then obviously your freezer part of your baby fridge, and a fridge part. So.
And then let's go into the shower area or the bathroom. Because of the size, the door goes out, pulls out.
That's just a standard tub. Yeah, standard tub and shower, just like it is in the one across the way. And see if they put extra towels underneath. Yep, they have extra towels underneath, along with a plunger, extra toilet paper, and Kleenex. They do give you baby shampoo, conditioner, and hand lotion. So we're going to wrap things up here at the Marriott Grand Vacations Grande Vista, right, honey?
Yes, it is.
Grande Vista on International Drive in Orlando. Again, as Peg mentioned early on in this video, equidistant for the most part between Universal Studios and Disney World, but really, really close to SeaWorld. So this is what we're going to use as a 3-bedroom. It's technically a 2-bedroom on one side and a studio on the other. And if you lock the doors, then it becomes the 2-bedroom in the studio. But if you open the doors like that is right now behind me, it becomes a 3-bedroom. And that's how we're going to end up using it. It's a really, really nice condo, and if you're bringing a lot of people down, a lot of space. So you can fit 4, 6, 8, 10 people in here comfortably, easily. So there you go. Thanks for letting us check it out for you. If you've not hit our subscribe button below, please do so. Also that bell notification button below, that'll get you notified when we put up future videos. Love for you to hit the like button too, because that helps us out immensely. Hopefully we can help you plan your vacation stay here in Orlando just a little bit at the Marriott Grand Vacations Grande Vista. Thanks for watching and have a magical day.